Good morning and Assalamualaikum students. Hope you will be fine. Students, today we will just practice our board math rule, and we will today practice about question number C of exercise number 20. Now look at this question, student. This is the third question of this exercise. How we will solve it? There are many equations given to us, and we will solve it according to board math rule. So students, according to board math, first of all we will solve the bracket. As you know students, there is no any bracket here, so this concept will be closed here. Now after that, the first one is division. Now in this, where is division? The division is in between 100 and 5. So all the numbers like this exist same as it is, but the answer of these two numbers will be written here. So students, we will divide 100 with 5. 5 2s are 10. Now 0. 5 0s are 0. Now answer is 20. So we write here 20 instead of these two numbers. Now again find out that which equation firstly we solve here. So according to board math, we will solve multiplication after division. So where is the multiplication sign? The multiplication sign is in between these two numbers. So 70 minus 20 plus minus 40. When we multiply 10 with 6, 6 10s are 60. So there is the answer of 60. Now we have given two equations, minus and plus. So you know that students, after multiplication we will solve your addition. So the addition is in between here. Now students, there is a problem here that this is the minus sign and this is the plus sign. These are the opposite signs here. So firstly students, look at this. If there is nothing sign here, it means plus. Firstly we use plus and plus digits. So we combine these two digits, 70 and plus 60. Now we arrange minus 20 and then minus 40. In this question students, the main thing is that firstly we arrange the addition digits. So we arrange them. When we plus it, when we add it, the answer is 130. Minus 20 and minus 40. Now you will minus these two numbers, the answer is 110 and minus 40 is as it is. Now again minus these two numbers, the answer of this is 110 and minus 40. 0, 11 minus 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There is an answer of 7. So the answer is 7. I hope students you will solve it by yourself very easily. Now students, we also solve here a next question, that is part D. So students, part D is a lengthy question but not a difficult question here. So this is our next question, and in this question you have given two brackets here. So if you have given two brackets, you know students, we will find out these two brackets in a same step. So we will solve these brackets in a same step. We will write as it is the other numbers. When we solve it, 500 minus 250, the answer is 250 here. And when we multiply 2 with 12, the answer is 24. Now both the brackets have solved. Now in the next one, we will firstly solve the division. The division sign is in between these two numbers. So when we divide these two numbers, 250 with 5, 5 5s are 25, 0. 5 zeros are 0. The answer is 50. So we will write here 50 plus 100 multiply 2 minus 24 and minus 800. Now students, in this question we will firstly solve your multiplication. Now 50 as it is, minus 24 as it is, minus 800 as it is. When we multiply 2 with 100, the answer is 200. So plus 200. Now students, in this one, first of all we will add this one, as this is addition and this is addition, so we'll add them. There is no need of arrangement here, they will be arranged here. 800. Now student, in this first of all you will minus these two numbers, 250 and then minus is 24. 10 minus 4 answer is 6. 4 minus 2 answer is 2. Now 226. Now we write here 226 minus 800. Students, there is a problem of here 800 problem, but we will solve according to this. 800 minus 226. When we minus it, then the answer is, take a carry from it, it becomes 10. Now it becomes 9. Take a carry from it, it becomes 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 2, 7. And 7 minus 2, 5. Now the answer is 574. But the greater number exists with minus, so we write here minus. Students, in this question you will minus smaller number from greater number. So that's why this is an opposite procedure. We minus 800 minus 200. So that's why we write here minus. यहाँ पर छोटी वैल्यू में से बड़ी वैल्यू माइनस की जा रही है, इस वजह से हम लोग जो हैं वो इस तरह सॉल्व इसको नहीं कर सकते. जब हम बड़ी वैल्यू में से छोटी वैल्यू माइनस करते हैं तो फिर साथ में हम लोग माइनस का साइन लगाते हैं. आई होप स्टूडेंट्स यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस क्वेश्चन and you will do the practice of this question. Goodbye students.